Let's suppose I create a variable x equals 4, and then I decide I'm not happy with the definition. I'd rather define x equals 5. I could clear x and then redefine it, or I could simply overwrite the old definition with a new one. Watch the workspace, the value x will change from 4 to 5. We can also update a definition by using its previous value. For instance, I can type x equals x plus 1. This will evaluate x plus 1 using the old definition, and then assign this value to the new definition. In the video about editing arrays, we'll do some more advanced operations of this type. Let's create a new variable. I'll do this by clicking in the workspace and choosing New. Give it the name myDBL. It says here that myDBL is a 1x1 double. What this means is that this variable has one row and one column, and it contains numerical data. If I double click it, I can open it up in the variable editor here. I can click in the empty cells and I can add new values. I can overwrite other values as well. Let's make this a 4. Let's make this a -3. Let's try and put a number 2 here. Notice that I can't leave any blank cells in a row or column, and what MATLAB has done here is it's filled them in with zeros. We can see that my DBL is now a 2x3 variable, which means it's got 2 rows and 3 columns. In computing terminology, we call this an array, which basically just means a table of values. The values are called elements. It's natural to think of the variable that I just created as an array because we can see that it's a collection of numerical objects arranged in rows and columns. But we can also think of a single number as a 1x1 array, and we can think of the word hello as a 1x5 array of characters. MATLAB tells us that this word hello is a 1x5 character array. This idea is fundamental to the way that MATLAB works, and this will be discussed in the video about class.